Mr. Foxon, are you ready to begin the examination of the cranial nerves?
I am, yes.
Okay. Could I ask you some questions? Are you experiencing any problems with your smell at the moment?
No.
And do you have any pain or discomfort around your nose or around your face?
No.
Any discharge from your nose or any discharge going in the back of your throat?
No. No.
Okay. Could I ask you to stand up for a moment? And what I'd like you to do is to bend down as far as possible, stay there for a few moments and tell me if there is any pain or discomfort around your face.
Right.
Okay, down you go as far as you can. And stay there for a few moments. How is that?
That's fine.
Okay, you can sit back again. Now, what I'd like to do is to put some pressure around your face, and I'd like you to tell me if this is uncomfortable. Painful, how's that?
No, it's fine.
Okay, and around here again. And how's that?
That's fine as well.
I'm also going to tap now. Tell me if this is painful.
No, there's no pain.
Okay, and around here.
That's fine.
That's okay? Good, thank you. Mr. Foxon, what I'm going to do now is ask you to identify some smells. I'd like you to block one of your nostrils with your finger first of all, and I'd like you to tell me if you can identify this smell.
Chocolate.
Okay. Now, again, I'd like you to tell me what this is.
Soapy.
Okay, so that's fine. And now this one, block your nostril again.
Vanilla.
Good. Now I'd like you to block the other side and we'll repeat the same test, yeah?
Vanilla.
Okay. And now this one.
Soap.
And finally one more.
Chocolate.
Good, thank you. Now what I'm going to do is have a look inside your nose. It's a bit uncomfortable, but not painful. What I'd like you to do first though is give your nose a good blow first.
Thank you.
Mr. Foxon, do you normally wear glasses or contact lenses?
I wear contacts.
And are you wearing them now?
Yeah.
Okay, we can leave them in during the examination. What I'd like you to do is look straight ahead for a moment. I'd like to have a look at your eyes for a moment. That's fine, okay. Okay, can you look at the ceiling for me? That's fine. Now can I get you to look at the floor? That's fine, thank you. Mr. Fox, I'd like you to block one of your eyes with your hand and look into the distance. I'm just going to bring a light from the side. That's fine. Now can you block the other eye? That's fine. What I'd like you to do is to put your hand along your nose like this, and again look into the distance. Now this eye here. Thank you. Mr. Foxon, can I get you to block one of your eyes and attempt to read the smallest writing for me?
L-H-T-O-C-N-E.
It's fine. Can I get you to block the other eye and again try and read the smallest print?
L-H-T-O-C-N-E.
Fine, thank you. Mr. Foxon, can I get you to block one of your eyes again and look through this pinhole and look at the smallest print and tell me if it appears different? Okay, how is it?
It's sharper.
It's sharper. Can you repeat the same with the other eye now? Block the other eye. And how is that?
It's much sharper as well.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Foxon, what I'd like you to do now is to hold this chart about a foot away from your face and attempt to read the smallest print for me.
Course is developed to introduce you to the various tissues.
That's fine, thank you. That is J1, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Foxon, what I'd like you to do this time is to block one of your eyes with your hand, and I'm going to do the same, block my eye, and I'd like you to fix your eye onto, say, the bridge of my nose, don't move your eye, and I'm going to bring this pin in from the sides, and I'd like you to tell me when it comes into view. Now fix your eye on the bridge of my nose and try not to move it.
No. 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 No.
Now can I get you to block the other eye and tell me when it comes into view again?
No. 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 No.
Fine, thank you. Now this time, Mr. Foxon, what I'd like you to do is again block one of your eyes, but I'd like you to tell me when the red pin disappears from view, and then again when it reappears. Again, do not move your eyes, okay, and fix your eyes, say on the bridge of my nose, yeah? So block that eye first, okay. Now when the red pin disappears, let me know.
No. And it's back.
It's back now, yeah? Again, tell me when it disappears.
And it's gone. And it's back.
Now can you block the other eye? And again, let's do the same. Tell me when it disappears, and again when it reappears.
It's disappeared. And it's back.
And again.
It's gone. And it's back.
Okay, Mr. Foxon, what I'd like you to do this time again is block one of your eyes and focus on, say, the bridge of my nose, and tell me if any part of my face appears missing or distorted.
No, looks normal.
Okay, now the other eye. And fix your eye on the center of my face and tell me if there's anything missing.
No, it's normal again.
Okay, can I get you to do the same with both your eyes open? Fix your eyes on, say, the bridge of my nose and tell me if there's any part of my face missing or distorted.
No.
Okay. Now, Mr. Foxon, I'm going to have a look inside your eyes with the ophthalmoscope, and for this we will have to dim the lights, okay? Now, could you look into the distance for me? Can you fix your eyes on that object on the wall and try and keep them there for me, don't move, yeah? Okay, can I get you to focus your eyes again onto the wall and try not to move them if you can. Mr. Foxon, just look into the distance again for me. Let me have a look at your eyes. That's fine. Now, can I get you to follow the tip of my pen? And if at any stage you experience double vision, let me know. Okay, try and follow it with your eyes. Fine. How was that? Did you have any double vision?
None, no.
Okay, now this time what I'd like you to do is to fix your eyes on the tip of my pen, and I'd like you to follow it all the way. I'm going to bring it close to your eyes. Okay, try and trace it for me all the way. That's fine, thank you. Okay, Mr. Foxon, now, do you experience any shooting pains around your face, any discomfort?
No.
Okay, let me have a look at your face again, look straight ahead. Okay, now can I get you to lower your jaw slowly as far as it will go? Just let it go all the way down. All the way. That's fine. Now very slowly back up again. And close your mouth. That's good. Okay, can I get you to clench your jaw tightly and relax, and again. Okay, Mr. Foxon, can I get you to bite on the end of this wooden spatula and don't let go? Okay, that's good. Now the other side. That's fine, thank you. Okay, now what I'm going to do is touch you with the edge of this piece of cotton wool on your face. I'd like you to shut your eyes though and tell me when you feel the touch. Just say yes for me.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Fine, thank you. You can open your eyes now. Mr. Foxon, now I'm going to touch you with this pin. It's got a sharp end and a dull end. And I'd like you to tell me whether it's sharp or dull. But I'd like to demonstrate first what it should feel like. Let me just show you. Do you agree this is sharp?
Yeah.
And this is?
Dull.
Okay. Now, close your eyes for me and tell me whether this is sharp or dull.
Sharp. Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Sharp. Dull.
Thank you. You can open your eyes now. Mr. Foxon, are you wearing your contact lenses now?
No.
Okay, what I'm going to do is touch you with this piece of cotton wool at the edge of your eyes. I'd like you to look straight ahead. Mr. Foxon, what I'd like to do now is to relax your jaw. Just put a bit of space between your teeth. And I'm just going to gently strike my own thumb here. That's fine, thank you. Mr. Foxon, can I ask you a few questions now about your hearing? Do you have any problems with, for instance, distorted hearing?
No.
Any problems with your eyes, like watery eyes or dry eyes?
No.
And what about your mouth? Do you have a dry mouth or excessive amount of saliva?
No.
And do you have any problems with your taste at all?
No.
Okay, now I'd like to have a look at your face. Look straight ahead for me. That's fine. Can I get you to raise your eyebrows? And can you frown? That's good. Now can I get you to squeeze your eyes tightly? Don't let me open them. Okay, that's good. Can I get you to squeeze your lips together tightly? Again, don't let me pull them apart. That's fine. Can I get you to blow out your cheeks? That's fine. Can I get you to whistle? And show me your teeth. That's fine, thank you. Okay, Mr. Foxon, can I ask you a few questions about your hearing and your balance now? Do you have any problems with hearing?
No.
Do you have any buzzing in your ears or tinnitus?
No.
Do you have any problems with your balance?
No.
Do you suffer from vertigo?
No.
Any nausea?
No.
Okay. Now, can you tell me if you can hear anything?
Yes.
What do you hear?
Just your fingers rubbing together.
Now, anything now?
Yeah, the same. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you hear anything?
Today's Thursday. Cycling is good for you.
Fine, thank you. Okay, Mr. Foxon, what I'm going to do is to place this instrument at the back of your ear, and I'd like you to tell me what you're experiencing.
Just a vibration.
A vibration. Now, when this is no longer experienced, when it's stopped, let me know.
No.
It's gone now, is it? Okay, now tell me, can you hear anything?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to repeat the same on the other side. Can you just tell me what you're experiencing?
Just a vibration.
Okay, tell me again when it's no longer there.
No.
And can you hear anything?
Yes.
Now this time, Mr. Foxon, I'm going to place this instrument on top of your head, and I'd like you to tell me whether you feel the sensation equally on both sides.
Yes, it's equal.
It's equal.
Yeah.
Now let's do the same again. This time I'd like you to block both of your ears and tell me how do you perceive it now. How was that?
Still equal but louder.
Equal but louder. That's fine, thank you. Can you just stand there for a few moments? Can you stand still? And can I get you to put your feet together? That's good. And stay there for a few moments. And can I get you to shut your eyes now? That's fine. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Foxon, what I'd like you to do now is sit along the length of the couch with your feet pointing that way. And what I'm going to ask you to do is ask you to lie back quite briskly. When your head is flat, tip it backwards, turn it to the side and fix your eyes on that box over there. I'm going to assist you during this maneuver, okay? So back you come and turn your head to the side. That's fine. And back up again. How was that? Did you experience any dizziness?
No.
Okay. Can you repeat the same test now? This time you look the other way and fix your eyes on that spot on the wall there. Okay? No. Okay, back you come. That's good. How was that?
Fine.
No dizziness?
No.
Okay, it may sit up now. Okay, now Mr. Foxon, can I ask you some questions about your throat? Do you have any problems swallowing?
No.
Do you choke on your food?
No.
Any problems with swallowing solid food or liquids?
No.
Do you bring any food up your nose at all?
No.
And do you have any problems with your voice?
No.
Can you say out loud the days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
That's fine, thank you. Okay, now can I get you to open your mouth and say out loud, ah? That's fine, thank you. Mr. Foxon, I'm going to touch you gently with the edge of this cotton bud at the back of your throat. I'd like you to open your mouth widely, please. Could I get you to open your mouth and let me have a look at your tongue? Just let it rest at the bottom of your mouth, that's it. That's fine. Can I get you to stick your tongue out? All the way? That's fine. And can I get you to push your tongue against your cheek, and I'm going to resist you. And now the other way. That's fine, thank you. Okay, finally, Mr. Foxon, I'm going to examine your neck and shoulders, but what I'd like you to do is to remove your t-shirt. Now, can you sit up straight for me? Let's have a look at you from the front. And look straight ahead. Now, can I get you to turn your chin this way and keep it there? And I'm going to push you away and resist me. That's fine. Can I get you to rotate your head now the other way? And again, push against my hand. That's fine, thank you. Okay. Can I get you to raise your shoulders up and try to resist me from pushing them down? That's fine, thank you. Fine, Mr. Foxon, we have now finished. You may get dressed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.